In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Cloud project for Google Calendar API access. To get started, open Chrome and go to the Google Cloud Console web platform. This is the main dashboard where you manage cloud resources, APIs, and project settings. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log into the correct Google account that you want to use for this setup, because the project and API access will be tied to that account and workspace. Once you are inside the Google Cloud Console, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. At the top of the screen, you will usually see the current project selector. This is important because Google Cloud organizes everything inside projects. A project acts like a container that keeps related settings, permissions, and services together, which makes it much easier to manage your app as it grows. From here, create a new developer app tracking project inside your cloud workspace container. When you start the project creation process, you will be asked for a project name. Choose a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize what this project is for later. If your workspace includes folders or organizational containers, make sure the project is being created in the correct location. This helps keep your cloud environment organized and avoids confusion if you manage multiple apps or teams. After the new project is created, confirm that it is selected as your active project before moving on. This is a small but very important detail. If the wrong project is selected, you could end up enabling services in the wrong place, which can create unnecessary cleanup work later. Next, go to the API library page. The API library is where you browse and activate Google services for the project you are currently working in. Use the search bar to look for the Google Calendar API. As you type, matching services should appear in the results. Click on Google Calendar API to open its product page. On that page, you will see an option to enable the API. Go ahead and click Enable. This step activates calendar access for your project and allows your application to work with Google Calendar features later in the setup process. Depending on your account or organization settings, it may take a few moments for the change to apply, so give it a second if the page needs to refresh. Once the API is enabled, your project is now prepared for the next stage of configuration. At this point, you have successfully opened Google Cloud Console, created a new project in the proper workspace, and enabled the Google Calendar API for that project.